you started the podcast Off the Clock. Would love to hear the reason why you decided to start that podcast. Like, what was kind of going through your mind? Was it that somebody was telling you to do it? Did you have a gut feeling you should? What was going on?
Yeah. So first of all, I thought there was a lot of relevant content that I would be able to provide to people interested in either the entrepreneurial journey specific to small business, and more specifically to managing your your resources, your teams. And I have a long background in staffing and human resources and hiring. I've seen it evolve from when I started in the late 90s, early 2000s to today with different generations having different motivations in terms of why they do things. And I've always kind of worked with the hourly employee, a lot of the line level employees in the businesses that I've been in. And so I felt that I could provide some insight to people that are either new into the corporate world. Now they have to manage teams of people, and how do they do that, and how do they get people to work together well, and how do they establish like peer-to-peer relationships, things like that. And I also wanted to get into the journey of the person that I'm talking to. So really understanding their background, how they got to where they are. I've had the opportunity to talk to some pretty cool entrepreneurs, to some people that are just doing some very cool things. So in the conversation about managing their teams, I learn a lot about that.